Welcome back to the breakdown. Today we're going to be taking a look at the desk power strip clamp. Now this is a power strip that mounts on your desk with 3 standard outlets, a USB and a USB-C plug here. We got this for a desk in a guest room. We'll have a lot of people stay with us. We have out-of-town family and friends and more. This is a great little power strip here that they can plug their stuff in instead of having to deal with the fact that they have a laptop, a couple phones, etc., having to lend them a power strip all the time. But this is great to use on a desk, a nightstand, wherever. We're going to show you the pros and cons of it, what you need to know about this device here, and a whole lot more. Now, first of all, this was not a review unit. I did buy it for myself for my own personal use. I want to review it here to let you know my thoughts on it. If you are new here and you want to find this on Amazon, I'll put a link to it in the show notes down below and in the first pinned comment. Pricing changes so rapidly, I hate to give you a price, have it be wrong before I even post the video. So check that out, link in the show notes down below and in the first pinned comment there. So you can find it there on Amazon for current pricing. If you have a question or comment I didn't answer, leave me a comment. I'll love to help you as best I can. If you're new here, or if you've been here a while, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. Doing one or both lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here. So YouTube recommends our videos, helping us grow. We would really appreciate your support. By hitting that subscribe button, by hitting that thumbs up, YouTube knows that you enjoy what we do here. Now with that said, let's take a look at this. Now right off the bat, pretty straightforward. 3 outlets, a USB-C and a USB. Very nice for a desk or a nightstand. You do have a clamp here that can go into it, and it opens up pretty big. You can put a pretty thick countertop here. From this point, all the way on here is open. Now, there we go. This little pad here, this little grip clamp, whatever you want to call it, does have a rubber piece you can put on it to have it connect there with it. Other than that, it's a pretty standard, straightforward. Now this comes with a few different lengths. I got the 6-foot cable, you got a 4-foot and a 10-foot cable option. Now for the USB-C here, a few things to know. USB-C is a 20-watt charger. Now 20 watts for most phones is a max charge. There are a growing number of phones that are over 20 watts. 20 watts will rapid charge. It does meet the specifications for a rapid charge with it. The standard USB is 10 watts, which for most standard USB devices is fine. Wireless earbuds, all kinds of things, 10 watts is pretty standard. It wasn't that long ago that 5 and 10 watts was the standard in charging. Now watts are kind of like a pipe for water, right? Bigger the pipe, more water goes through it. Higher the wattage, more power goes through it, charging your phones faster. So it's really nice. So in theory, you can charge 4 devices through this, a couple laptops, cell phone, tablet, wireless earbuds, etc., all in one neat little device here that easily stands up on the desk, very accessible. Really do like it. I like how they set this up. So 2 thumbs up on this. A couple things, the power cord is very nice. It is also got that tilted flat face instead of the power coming straight out. It's got kind of a tilted angled hook on it. There we go. It's kind of angled to the side, so it doesn't block all the ports on it, and it's very small. So if you're putting this behind a desk, behind a nightstand where you don't have a lot of room, this fits very nice there, which I really do like, because let's be honest, most cell phone chargers stick way out from the wall, kind of annoying. So I do like this. I do like the fact that it's very accessible. It's very nice. Don't have to worry about somebody walking away from it. It's kind of clamped down, make it look like some furniture. If you have a guest, run an Airbnb, or maybe you just want it for your desk or for your office. Kind of thing someday when I get a review lab set up, I wouldn't mind one of these on the review table for easy access to plug things in. So, well, a bigger review lab than what I got here. So 2 thumbs up. It does what it says it's going to do, does it well. Love the fact that it's a 20-watt USB-C. Many of these are just USBs, which are annoying because increasingly cell phones and devices are going USB-C. And having USB-C on this is really, really nice. So 2 thumbs up. If you want to find out more about this, check out the show notes down below and in the first pinned comment. I'll put a link to it on Amazon. If I didn't answer one of your questions here, leave me a comment, let me know. I'll love to hear from you. And we'll do our best to answer it. So hit that subscribe button if you're new here, hit that thumbs up. Doing one or both lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here. And check back. We'll be back here real soon with another video.